I'm Jill DeWitt, co-founder of Land Academy, and I wanted to talk to you today about the types of deals I love to fund. So one of the things about Land Academy is there's just so many deals that we all have coming at you, and sometimes just kind of run out of dough. I'm happy to be the bank for you. And I really love rural vacant land. It doesn't matter where it is. I mean, I'll do rural, I'll even do commercial. And I love anything, gosh, I'll say between 1.5, 2 acres up to 80 acres. It's really kind of about the numbers and if it makes sense. I love buying anything between $30,000 and $100,000, knowing that we're going to double our money at least, and then we'll work out a percentage of split on the profit. Whatever makes sense to you and I, we can work it out together. Hope that helps. So don't worry about those amazing deals that I know you're going to find within Land Academy, and let's get some done.